China is testing humanoid robots in the police force. The future of public safety has never felt so close. In today's video, we introduce the PM01, the first humanoid police robot, and explore other AI breakthroughs in security, construction, and public service. Discover how these robots patrol streets, interact with people, monitor cities, and even replace human functions. Watch until the end and reflect. Is technology here to protect us or to replace us? The future of public safety is arriving on the streets, and it's not human. Today, we'll meet the PM01, China's first humanoid police officer, and learn how it's revolutionizing surveillance, technology, and even the very concept of authority. On the streets of Shenzhen, the PM01 has become China's first humanoid police partner. It stands 1.38 meters tall, weighs 40 kilograms, and wears the same high-visibility vest as its human colleagues. But what truly stands out is its agility, a 320-degree waist rotation to scan crowds, facial and license plate recognition, and microphones capable of understanding both Mandarin and Cantonese. It can instantly transmit suspicious information directly to the command center in real time. The PM01 was designed to handle basic patrols, assist tourists, protect lost children, and record incidents. And with an affordable price tag, entire cities could deploy squads of these robots without breaking their budgets. But the PM01 isn't the only one. It's part of China's larger effort to integrate robots into public safety. The RTG unit, a spherical robot, can move across land or water and withstand impacts of up to 4 tons. Deep Robotics has developed wheeled robots equipped with thermal cameras capable of detecting fires before firefighters even arrive. These innovations show how China is experimenting with new technologies to protect lives, reduce risks, and optimize human work. Meanwhile, humanoid robots continue to impress audiences. While the PM01 patrols the streets, XPengs shocked the world at Auto Shanghai 2025 with Iron, a 1.73-meter-tall humanoid with astonishingly realistic movements. 60 joints for precision and 22 in the hands for delicate manipulation. Its processor performs 3,000 trillion operations per second, enabling Iron to interact with people, answer questions in Mandarin, lift fragile objects, and even show natural gestures, blurring the line between humans and machines. But it's not just about physical robots. As robots grow more capable, software intelligence advances as well. Abacusi's Deep Agent allows humans to automate complex tasks, building entire apps, tracking sales data, generating dashboards and real-time reports, and even integrating visuals into communication platforms. This fusion of physical robots and intelligent software is transforming not only industries, but also security, construction, and public service. Globally, the humanoid race is accelerating. Tesla is scaling production of Optimus, its humanoid robot based on electric car systems, aiming for 10,000 units by the end of the year. In China, Chery employs humanoid robots as sales assistants, capable of speaking 10 different languages. In the US, Robotics Inc. is developing Zix, a 6-meter-tall construction robot capable of welding and 3D printing concrete, keeping human workers out of danger. These advancements bring incredible benefits: enhanced safety, reduced accidents, greater efficiency, and lower labor and operational costs. But they also raise serious ethical and social questions. Robots replacing human workers, the potential militarization of humanoids, concerns about privacy, mass surveillance, and the over-reliance on AI for critical decision-making. As both hardware and software evolve, we imagine a future where robots patrol our cities, monitor construction sites, and assist in our homes. Humans will delegate dangerous and repetitive tasks to machines. And soon, the line between artificial intelligence and human judgment will begin to blur. The question remains, when humanoid robots can make decisions on their own, who's really in control? The robot or the human? The PM01 and its counterparts prove that the future is closer than we think. Balancing innovation, safety, and ethics will determine whether this technology serves humanity or dominates it. Would you feel comfortable living in a world where robots patrol beside you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching. I'm Xandro, and I'll see you in the next video.